Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get started with Sparrow Wallet for beginners. Sparrow Wallet is a powerful desktop Bitcoin wallet designed for the users who want security, privacy and full control over their Bitcoin. It is best for the beginners who want to learn properly, users who want to better privacy, people using hardware wallet, anyone who wants more control than simple mobile wallets. Now let's start from the zero step by step. What you can do is make sure you already have a Sparrow Wallet and open to your Sparrow Wallet here, and make sure to connect it to a server if you have not so. To check, you can also go to this tools heavy on the top. You can also create your first wallet. What you can do is go to this file here, you can select to this new wallet here and type down your name for this wallet and select to this create wallet here. Now you must choose how to create it, and over here we can find to this receive. Click to this receive tab and copy your Bitcoin address, send it to the person sending you BTC. You can generate new addresses anytime for the better privacy. You can go to this send, enter the recipient address, amount, adjust the fee if needed, click create transaction and broadcast, and also learn some basic security. As a beginner, focus on backing up seed phrase safely, setting strong wallet password, verifying addresses before sending, keeping Sparrow updated. And in this transaction here shows your full transaction history. In this UTXOs advanced section showing individuals coin. In this addresses here view all the generated addresses, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.